गोंय राज्यांत एक नवे तरेची एक योजना फुडें व्हरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न जाल्लो आसा. एक म्हणजे कितें जाला की इनफर्टिलिटी ट्रिटमेंट आनी इनफर्टिलिटी आमची महिला जी आहा गोंयची महिला खुबशे लोक गोंया भायर वयता ट्रिटमेंट घेवपाक आनी तांकां भरपूर खर्च जाता की ह्या तरेचो खर्च जाता की 5 लाख पासून 9 लाख पर्यंत तांकां त्या तरेचो खर्च जाता आनी आउटकम समटायम्स इज नॉट एज एक्सपेक्टेड. So what we have decided, Dr. Pednekar is there, who is the head of department of gynecology.
First name
Guru Prasad Pednekar. And Dr. Ajit Nagarshekar, he is the head of department of obstetrics and gynecology in Goa Medical College. आम्ही कितें ठरयलां तुम्ही पळयलां की आम्ही प्रत्येक फावट एक डिपार्टमेंट घेवन त्या डिपार्टमेंटाक तेंको दिवन फुडें व्हरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसता. आमी आतां कितें ठरयलां फुडल्या म्हयन्याभरान this treatment is broken up into 2 parts, part 1 and part 2. And luckily on my recent trip to Kolhapur, I met Dr. Nandita Palshetkar, who is a pioneer in this thing and who has got vast experience. Pioneer means she's got anubhav bharpur hai, and she also happens to be the daughter of D.Y. Patil, so who has got vast experience, and she's now to take over as the president of FOGSI for 2019. FOGSI is a organization, definition Federation of Obstetrics and Gynecology Society of India. She is going to take over now, and I was very happy to meet her yesterday because she has said that this is a member associated to more than 241 societies and also 35,000 obstetricians and gynecologists spread over the country. I had a long detailed meeting with her. This is why I said we should, before I went, this is not because I met her, then we are having this press conference. Before I went, we had a detailed meeting with Dr. Guru Prasad Pednekar and Dr. Ajit Nagarshekar and Dr. Muriel. And आम्ही कितें करूंक सोदता की हे डिपार्टमेंट आम्ही ऑलरेडी आमचो प्रोसेसान पायपलायन आहा टू बिल्ड अ मदर एंड चायल्ड ब्लॉक आनी तेज्यान हे इंटिग्रेट जावपाची गरज आहा. आमची इतली गोंयान महिला आहा, they because and for their sake, what is for beneficial to these ladies who actually who spend their hard-earned money and going out of Goa, and we don't want them to go out of Goa. So IUI and IVF चे दोन ट्रीटमेंटाचे दोन भाग आहा. Success rate is similar. So what we are trying to do is we are going to try to introduce IUI in Goa Medical College immediately within the span of 30 days. Whatever infrastructure त्यांची actually meeting आम्ही आपोवपाची आहा with GSIDC, तांकां जे कितें infrastructure लागता and त्यांचे कितें तरी गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडियाचे त्यांचे ICMR गायडलायन्स आहा ते एडिशनल इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर. सो IVF treatment in Goa Medical College, IVF will start after a period of between 4 to 6 months. So this
IUI is intrauterine insemination and IVF means in vitro fertilization. These are both methodologies of assisted reproductive techniques. IUI will start immediately within about 30 days time. Here what we do is we take the semen sample, that is of sperms, we treat it with media and then put it directly in the uterine cavity. So there are certain indications where IUI works of infertility, and this cost treatment of IUI is much less. Afterwards we are going to start with in vitro fertilization, and it is coupled with embryo transfer. In vitro fertilization means we take the male gamete, that is the sperm, and the female gamete, that is the ovum, fuse them in the petri dish. So the conception is outside, and once it reaches a certain stage, this embryo is transplanted inside. Now both the modalities have got different indications, and both the modalities have got similar success rate. Like it is about 30 to 40%.
We were lucky that she has assisted Dr. Nandita Palshetkar, who is now going to take over as the federation, as the head of the Federation of Obstetrics and Gynecology Society of India, FOGSI, from 2019. She has assisted Goa Medical College. She said we will give full free service to Goa Medical College. They will give the full backup and handhold us till we set up this facility in the state of Goa. लोकांनी कितें म्हणून खूबश्यो गोष्टी बऱ्यो गोष्टी आमच्या सरकारान केल्ल्या आसा, आनी ह्याच तरेन आमी पावलां मारून फुडें आमी झेप घेता, म्हणजे सामान्य मनशाक ह्या सरकाराचो आरोग्य क्षेत्रांत बरेपैकी फेसिलिटी गावची. अपेक्षा आसता लोकांची, लोकांक एक इच्छा आसता की they should be able to have a baby, but then they end up spending so much money, like 9-10 lakhs of rupees, but the outcome is negative. And so as a result of which, we having this type of organization hand holding us in Goa. That's why I talked to the doctors and said they are also, I'm planning to send as a team Dr. Guru Pednekar, Dr. Ajit Nagarshekar and Dr. Muriel, to Mumbai to interact with Dr. Nandita Palshetkar and this organization and to draw up the protocol how it will work in the Goa Medical College.